Well, I got to pass the microphone over to all your sons and daughters.
Yes.
Everybody say hi. Pass this microphone around. This is just for you guys.
Come on, Kathy.
Just everybody say hi.
Hi.
Real quick. Eileen, you pass it to them or whoever.
Hello. And Adrian Pacheco would be in seventh heaven with all his family here.
Hello.
Hello.
Say your name.
Oh, okay.
My name's Tabitha.
Tabitha.
Yes, sir.
Say happy 4th. The Wayne clan.
Happy 4th of July. Hope you have a great day. Nobody want to mind me?
You say hi?
Hi.
I think he's got more to say.
You say hi?
That's what it's for. That's what it's for.
There you go.
Say happy 4th of July.
Happy 4th of July, everybody.
All right, good job.
You gonna say Matthew? You wanna talk?
Okay, how about you guys give them back and can you look in here and see yourselves?
Here, stand over here. Can you see yourself?
Still got a
Can you
few
see
minutes
this
for the
right?
parade.
You're right there.
Say it again. Happy 4th
Say,
of
say
July.
Happy 4th of July.
Okay, your turn.
say it.
Happy 1st of July.
Thank you guys. By the way, what town did you guys come from?
I came from Oakdale.
No. Say
No.
San Jose.
I came from San Jose.
Okay.
Antigua.
Tika.
And what town are we in now? What parade is this going to be? What town is this?
Concord Parade.
Concord Parade.
And what state is this in? Is this in Texas?
California.
Say that again.
California.
Oh, how wonderful. And let's see now, what country is California in?
United States.
United States.
Okay, now we're hitting home. Okay, well, thank you very much for the introduction to the parade, and I hope you have a great time. Are you going to walk in the parade? Okay, we'll see you in the parade
And they'll
then.
do a much better job than I will, guaranteed.
Thank you, everybody.